the trick urumva kubivuga mu magambo yumvikana mu bantu bose. So what sparkled my mind to do that, right? It was I saw our trainers, man, right? So umuntu ushaka kubyibuha, umuntu ushaka kukanguza, right? Afata a certain diet, right? Ibintu ashyira mu mubiri we, ibintu arya nibijyanye nibyo ashaka kuba. I was looking at some of the people I was looking at were trainers and like, so these people, what they do, right? If they want to change their body, right, they will feed their body differently, right? So niba shaka gukora iki, kunanuka, whatever they want to do, right? Akarya ibintu runaka, right? So nibyo ashyira mu mubiri we, right? So bagafata diet, regime, right? Ugasanga umuntu ari kuri regime kugira ngo ahindure uburyo umubiri umeze, right? No, ndareba ndavuga ati so if there's regime y'umubiri, there can also be regime of the brain.
Right.
Because your brain is also eating stuff, right?
Yeah,
if you're on the social medias, if you are reading the news, if you're watching the news, all this kind of thing you are consuming, your brain is eating information. Niyo ugiye kuryama urarota man, nibyo urota man, urabirota. Ibintu wabonye ku munsi wose, niba wabonye ibyana, niba wabonye ibimodoka, ibizu, urabirota ibyo bintu man. So I was like, man, if I'm living if my daily life inside me, I am living the information I consume, right? So I realized it was about time, I just kind of chill on the information I consume and then get on a brain diet. A brain diet, man. A brain diet is what you call feeding your focus, man. Because like, kuvanamo utuntu twose udakeneye kureba, utuntu twose udakeneye kujya mu bwongo bwawe, and then you only put twa tuntu tumwe na tumwe tugomba kujya aho ngaho. And man, when I did that, honestly, bro, my life changed. So financially, not really, right? But in terms of mental health, even my work, my creation, my designs, they improved. Even the things I was thinking about creatively, they improved. I started writing better. I started designing better because I was looking at the people n'ubundi barimo baragaburira ibintu njyewe nshaka kumenya man.